In this video, I will show you how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. So let's jump right in. So first things first, there's no direct way to boot someone from your share list, but I will show you a simple workaround. So what you will do is use the restrict feature on the person that you want to remove from your sharing list. It's like putting them in a restricted zone temporarily. So to do this method, simply head over to the profile of the person you want to restrict or remove from your share list. Now, once you're on their profile, keep an eye out for those three little dots chilling in the top right corner. Click on them to open up the options menu. Now, in the options menu, you will find an option labeled restrict. Just simply tap on it to restrict the selected user. Now, Instagram might prompt you to confirm your decision, so just confirm to complete the restriction process. So, I just want to add this for everyone's peace of mind. Once you restrict someone, they won't know it, so you're all good. Also, their activity on your account gets limited just like I explained before, and even if you decide to unrestrict them later, they will still stay off your list. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.